Hi, I'm Rich Sammons, manager of the Irving Tool Service Center, and I'm here to talk a little bit about what Hilti's doing in the Tool Service Center in response to COVID-19 and still being able to provide safe service to our customers. Well, to start with, we've established what's a virtual perimeter around the building. We've closed it to all but our essential team members that we need for operations. And we've deployed digital thermometers at all of our facilities where we scan team members to ensure no one has a fever. Inside the building, we have implemented new sanitation routines for the common areas and our work areas like this to sanitize them at least daily and even more frequently. The team members, so we ask them to wear gloves that we provide and require that they wear them in all activities in the shop. We also want to take care of our customers. Each tool is cleaned as a part of the repair, and it's sent back in the customer's own kit box that was also cleaned during the repair or in a brand new box. We thank you for all that you do. Please stay safe.